Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Haris by TK. Today in this video, we're gonna discuss about institutions providing technical education and professional training. School and campus are available for providing and promoting general education in Nepal from the very beginning. There was not even a single institution providing technical education and professional training before 2037 BS. The first technical school was established in 2037 BS. Then after, many technical schools and professional training institutions are established in Nepal. The following institutions are available in Nepal to provide technical education and professional training. Number 1. Institutions under Council for Technical Education and Vocational Training, simply known as CTUVT. CTUVT is an independent institution for providing technical education and professional training. It provides basic, medium, and specialized technical education. The head office of CTUVT, located at Chanothimi, Bhaktapur, runs the following program. Member College of CTUVT. CTUVT runs member colleges for promoting technical education program. These colleges run basic and diploma level technical education program. They also provide short-term trainings. Annex program. As per the policy of Nepal government to promote technical education and professional training, SLC or SEE equivalent technical program is running in government school, which is called Annex program. This program is supposed to run in every district for providing technical education and professional training. Affiliated colleges, schools, institution. CTUVT has given affiliations to colleges, schools, institutions in private sector to run technical education and professional training program. Next is Vocational Training Center. There are various training operated under Vocational Training Center. The member school of CTUVT have two training centers. One is located in Khudi, Lamjung, and another is located in Bimad, Tanahu. These vocational training centers identify the local need as per the local demand. They run construction, agriculture, and health related training. In technical education program, subject likes livestock farming, Ayurveda, agriculture, A&M, CMA, medical lab technology are taught in SEE level. Similarly, dental, construction, mechanical engineering, survey, office management, textile and sericulture, entrepreneurship development, etc. are also taught in this course. Likewise, in diploma level, electronics, electrical, automechanical, lab, dental hygiene, Ayurveda, homeopathy, ophthalmic, physiotherapy, radiology, information technology, hotel management, architecture, survey are studied. Similarly, computer, food and dairy, forestry, etc. are taught in this level. Likewise, CTUVT runs short-term training courses on cooking, waiter, office secretary, library management, hair cutting, beauty parlor, Montessori, PC computer application, radio, TV repair and maintenance, web designer, computer operator, e-commerce, welder, plumbing, house wiring, mobile repairing, AC technician, and electrician, etc. I hope you got an idea on institutions under Council for Technical Education and Vocational Training, which is simply known as CTUVT. Now, next is number 2, Cottage and Small Industry Department. Cottage and Small Industry Department runs short-term training in 27 districts of Tarai region. These training are designed and conducted considering the need and demand of the local people. Number 3, Cottage and Small Industry development community. Addressing the local need, cottage and small industry development community is running short-term training program in 48 districts of mountain and hilly region. Number 4, Skill Development Training Center. Skill Development Training Center runs various training programs in local, national, and international levels. It basically operates three kinds of training, that is short-term, medium, and specialized. Trained professionals from these centers are demanded at local, national, and international industries. Number 5, Mechanical Training Center. Mechanical Training Center operates training under the Department of Road. This training center runs different auto mechanical trainings. Number 6, Vocational Education and Training Enhancement Project. The Ministry of Education has started vocational training from 2016 VS and has targeted for the youth. Number 7, Training Center under various institutions. Beside above mentioned training institutions, there are other institutions that provide vocational training. They are Telecommunication Training Center. The Telecommunication Training Center is located in Kathmandu. It conducts various short-term training related telecommunication. These programs are oriented toward employment generation. Nepal Telecom publishes notice in regular interval for such training. Field technician and telecom linesman are popular training program conducted by this center. Electricity Training Center. Electricity Training Center is located in Bhaktapur. It conducts electricity related job oriented training. Trainings are provided for short term. It provides vocational training to produce skilled manpower in regular interval. Federation of Nepal Commerce and Industry. Federation of Nepal Commerce and Industry is operating various training programs to produce skilled manpower for industries. It has established training center in 9 districts of 14 zones. It provides job-oriented training at national levels. Tanothimi Technical School. Tanothimi Technical Schools is located in Bhaktapur. It is established for providing vocational training to orphan children. Training related to sewing, knitting, welding, automechanical, press, etc. are run by this school. Number 8, Private Institutions for Training. Hundreds of private institutions are providing vocational training. The main objective of such organization is to provide skill-oriented training as per the demand of the market. Many of these institutions are in urban areas and only few are in rural areas. People trained by these institutions are demanded in various organizations in and outside the country. Moreover, many people have started their own business. Such private institutions have contributed a lot in poverty reduction and employment generation at local level in Nepal. Next point is non-government organizations. There are many NGOs and INGOs running training in various sectors. International non-government organizations, simply known as INGOs. There are many non-government organizations are launching training programs for generating employment opportunity and self-employment. INGOs run various skill-oriented training programs and develop manpower for local market. UN, UMN, etc. are some examples of non-government organizations which are investing huge amount of money for conducting training programs. These INGOs are strategically working with NGOs to run various kinds of entrepreneurial and job-oriented professional trainings. NGOs, non-government organizations. Non-government organizations are widespread all over the country. NGOs in Nepal are also conducting many jobs and skill-oriented training programs with the help of foreign aid. The last one, technical program run by universities. Universities offer high-level academic programs like general medicine, surgery, pharmacy, nursing, lab technology, radiography, dental, etc. in different levels. Similarly, horticulture, livestock are the major subject taught in agriculture sector. Accordingly, civil, mechanical, electrical, statistical, electronics, auto mechanics, refrigeration, architecture, computer, information technology are the major subjects offered in engineering. Such academic programs produce intellectual human resources that make plan and execute the plan in field. So I hope you have understood today's topic, and these are the 10 different institutions which are available in Nepal to provide technical education and professional training. If you are still having any question related to this topic or any confusion, then please comment below. I'm gonna get back to you on that as soon as possible. So for today, this much only. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible with new video on new topic. So till that time, stay home, stay safe, and before going, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the upcoming video notification directly. Bye.